Go ahead and grab your name. Take door 26, because that's the door we're going to be working on. Go ahead and put your name and your picture right there so you know what door you're using. Alright, so I have door 26. It's very important for safety right here. Safety is a very big concern. So it's very important that we put the glad lock on. We don't want anybody falling out of the trailers. It's happened before and we don't want it to happen again. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on first. Make sure that the temp is below zero, -10. If it's over that, then we can't load the truck up. We're gonna have to get with the lead or a supervisor and see what's our next step. So we're gonna go outside and go ahead and put the glad lock on. Check to see if it's locked. Pretty good, ready to go. Now let's check to see if the temp's okay. Give it about 20-30 minutes, let it cool down, and then we'll go ahead and check to see if we can load up. Go ahead and put my name tag on, door 26. Put the key to the glad lock. Alright. Now we're gonna go ahead and look for our BOL, which is this number right here. Most of the time it's gonna be on the dock. If not, it's gonna be inside the freezer. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna search for it. Most of the time it's gonna be around here on the dock. If not, we're gonna go inside the freezer and check to see if we have a couple pallets in stock. Alright, it's not on this side, so we're gonna go check the other side of the dock. Remember guys, safety is important, so always use your horn. Okay, so I went ahead and staged all of my pallets. We're gonna go ahead and see if my BOL matches the pallets that I brought over. So This number right here is our BOL 125496. You gotta make sure that that matches 125496. So this is my order. Now we have to match the pallet ID with this label. If these two do not match, we have a problem and this is not your pallet. Also, you could find it right here on the batch. So this number right here matches the batch number. It's located right here. This is a La Brea load, so we got to make sure that all pallets are on check pallets. These blue pallets are check pallets. So right here shows the quantity. It's 60. So I'm gonna go ahead and check on the paper and look for this pallet ID. It ends in 0096 D4. You want to make sure the whole number matches. So ends in 0096. 0096 D4. 009600. 009600. So this matches. This is my pallet. Let's check it off. 60 cases. This is a part-time. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So we're good on this. Now I'm gonna go ahead and check the rest of the order. Make sure I got my whole load. So now that I've checked all my product, I'm gonna go ahead and open the doors and we can go ahead and start loading. Put the ram door down. Okay, so I'm about to open the door. I'm gonna go ahead and point this at the reefer just to make sure that the temperature is under 0 below. Alright, so my reading's -5, so we're good to go. -3, -2, so we're good to start loading. Take the lock off of the ramp. Come over here. We're gonna push the yellow for lower. We have all our product. We can go ahead and start loading. I'm gonna show you how to scan for this load. We're gonna go ahead and use the Thor. You can use a RF scanner as well, but this is already attached to the machine, so we'll go ahead and use the Thor. Okay, so for this load, we're gonna check how many pallets it's gonna be, because if it's 28 pallets, I can't load it straight. 26 pallets fit on a 53-inch truck, so if it's 28, we're gonna have to load chimney block. If it's 30, we're gonna have to go sideways. So let's check it out. So it's gonna be 29 pallets, so we're gonna have to go sideways all the way. I'm gonna go ahead and enter my login. Outbound, the selection is gonna be Ola. O-L-O-P. Press enter. Load number. You want to check the paper. It's always gonna be at the top. They write it for you. 68742. 68742. Push enter. Door number 26. We want to push enter so we can scan on open, and now we can start scanning. Scan the yellow label, push enter, enter the door number, and make sure the quantity matches. You're good to go. Now you can scan the next one. You can start loading. So it's very important that we check, load, and scan the product all at the same time so that we don't leave no room for error. got 29 pallets. I went ahead and threw one in the middle, so we closed it off even. Now we're gonna throw the load off. You always want to secure the load. It's nice and tight. All right, let's close it up. Okay, so got to make sure that the top is locked and secured. We went in and we put the seal on. And then also when you're doing the outbound, you just want to make sure you did all the right procedures and all the right steps. So we have a SWI that tells you step by step how to load the truck on the outbound. So if you're not sure and you have any questions, you can go ahead and look at this paper. It'll tell you all the procedures and all the right things that you gotta do. If you still have questions, you can ask your lead or your supervisor for help. And if you still have questions, go ahead and ask your operations manager. This is good because it tells you everything in case you miss something. And always want to go back to this to help you out at the end. So we're done now. Let's close up the door. Now we're gonna go ahead and take off the glad lock till we are all done. Alright, so once you're done loading, we're gonna come over here and grab our paperwork. We're gonna go ahead and stamp our door out so we can let them know that we're done with our trip. Alright, we're gonna give it to our shipping coordinator.
Sir.
Alrighty.
Bills will be printed over there.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Highly appreciate it. So now the bills will come out. Alright, so after we're done loading, we're gonna go ahead and grab our paperwork. Now we're gonna fill it out. So the yellow copy is gonna be for them to sign. The blue one is for them to keep. One of those, write the seal number down. You'll find that right here. So you pop it on. Do the same for yellow paperwork. Then you want to go ahead and circle the case quantity. The load. You're gonna sign right here where it says ship by. Check pallets. It was 29, regular, it was 0. We loaded 29 pallets, wrapped. We wrapped one pallet and we consolidated one pallet. Pallets out, make sure you mark 29 up here. Pallets in, it was 0. For the second copy, just circle the case quantity. 1740 is the total. Go ahead and sign. And now we'll go ahead and fill out this paper. So total pallets out, regular pallets it was 0, check it was 29. Pallet spots we used 30 because we put one in the middle. The temperatures we got -2, -3, and -5. The set point it was at -10. Was the truck pre-cooled? Yes. And then you initial here. You accepted it. Pallets out was 29 and pallets in was 0. Then you want to answer these questions right here. So does the trailer have any unusual orders? No. Does the trailer show any evidence of past or present insect or rodent infestation? No. Are there any holes in the roof, walls, floors, or doors? No. Are there any accumulations of dirt or foreign material? No. Are the roof, walls, floors, and doors wet inside the trailer? No. Has the trailer been pre-cooled? Yes, we set it at -10. Is there any exposed insulation? No. Is the reefer and vehicle thermometer in good working condition? Yes. Are all door seals in good condition? Yes. And were temporary repairs made? No. After you fill out this paper, you want to do the outbound charges. We loaded it sideways. with 29 pallets. We restacked one pallet. Pallets supplied by them, nothing. We wrapped one pallet, and that's it. This is very important to fill out because they have to charge them for any pallets if they were supposed to bring any. So after we're done with this, we'll go ahead and give it to the shipping coordinator, and that's how you load a truck.
So what I like to do is I like to put the parcels on the side. All my food pallets are on this side. That way I have an identity up there.